IE error. Water does not fill the appliance properly. Turn off the appliance. Check the following for the IE error. Check the water pressure. Check the water tap or valve. Check the water supply hose. Check the water supply. Make sure the water supply pressure is 20 to 80 psi. Make sure the water valve is fully open. Check the water supply hose. Make sure the line is not kinked or sharply bent. Check the filter on the water supply hose. Unplug the appliance and turn off the water tap or valve. Unscrew the water supply hose. Remove the seal and plastic filter with a pair of small pliers or scissors. Clean the filter with a soft brush under running water. Refit the filter and gasket. Ensure it is sitting correctly. Refit and secure the water supply hose in reverse order. Do not use any mechanical device to tighten the hose. When reassembling the seal and the filter, ensure they're free from dirt or grit that may have come from the water supply. Turn on the water tap or valve. If there is a leak, the water supply hose will need to be checked for proper connection. Plug in the appliance.